I'm not scared to dump my bag. I have cool stuff in here, I think. Hi, I'm Noah Cyrus, and I'm ready to spill it. This is like my favorite bag because I can fit everything in it. It like gets like really big, or you can like make it small or whatever. I literally carry this thing everywhere. Here we go, we're going into the bag. My hair ties must, because these buns, they come undone. Except fun fact, these aren't even my hair ties. I stole them from my roommate who has longer hair than me. His hair is literally like Jesus. I've got my sunnies. I always keep my sunnies in here. So like, bam, you can just put them on. You can get real sassy real quick. I always have my deck of cards because you never know when you're about to whoop some ass in blackjack. I have my Mercier highlighter that I never use clearly. Sometimes you can go like, get a little nose highlight. I keep my bag pretty cluttered. I feel like I just throw everything in there. But I feel like every girl's purse, you take forever to like dig through it. My mom's bag is like a trench, and you'll just dig through forever and you never find what you're trying to find in her bag. Car keys. So my car has this thing where you can touch the door and it'll open, but like everyone hates when I do it because it only unlocks the driver's side door. So I'll be getting in and then I have to get all comfy and then I unlock the door. Everybody gets so annoyed. Oh, hand sanitizer. I'm gonna use some of that shit right now because like you can never have enough like hand sanitizer. I love Purell. My drummer made me a t-shirt that says got Purell because I love Purell so much. Like anywhere I go, I'm like, you got any Purell? That's like my most #1 said thing on tour. Got my Legend of Zelda in-ears that like I don't really use anymore, but like, you know, you never know when you need some in-ears. My ladies, we've got some tampies, just in case. Does anybody else call them tampies? Am I the only person that calls them tampies? And then this is the gold right here. Playing Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time. This is where if somebody was to break into my car and take my 3DS, I would never be okay ever again. So that's my most prized possession right here. I clearly have a Zelda issue. Oh, we always need these. If you're like me and you have lash extensions, I always keep my lash extension like brushes in there. So you always have to have extra of these. Last but not least, the most important thing in this entire bag, my Pax Pen. I need it sometimes whenever you're just in the studio and you need to chill the fuck out. That's it. That's my bag. Thanks for watching Refinery29. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.